Hello, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Niski. I'm a quality assurance analyst for El Paso Teller 911 Authority Board. Today, we will be talking about how to abort calls while in ProQA. So, what does it mean to abort a call? The abort case list can be found in ProQA once you select Close Case. This is located right next to the New Case button on the top left corner of ProQA. Selecting this will bring up a list of reasons for closing that specific case. You may ask yourself, why is this so important? The abort function is used to track when a case is closed by selecting an approved agency reason before sending a determinant code through CAD. This is just another way of gathering agency data. These are used with all three disciplines and they can all be customizable. Some of the default reasons would be perhaps during a fire call that the caller hung up. There was a duplicate incident. The fire has been extinguished if your policy allows that, or it's simply a test case. Some medical reasons could be that help had arrived, that this was a non-medical type call. A police reason could be that the alarm was canceled, or it was a wireless hang-up call. Other agency-specific reasons can be very customizable to whatever specific needs your agency commonly uses. Here are some examples of our local agency-specific reasons. So whether it is a agency who initiated the call or an agency who canceled the call, it was a safe to tell, a wireless disconnect, anything that you can really think of, you can add this to the selection. This is going to be an example of how to actually abort a case. Once you go through case entry and process the protocol, this is an example of a traffic accident. As you're going through key questions, you have information that responders have arrived on scene. You close the case, and here are the abort reasons. You hit whatever reason would be appropriate for the situation, hit OK, and then it closes the case. Now let's talk about test case. In case entry, just make sure to select the test case button. This is displayed on OK, tell me exactly what happens, and it will display as several asterisks test case with a couple more asterisks. Using this function will flag individual cases, and when running reports or exporting data, this is going to keep the test data from corrupting the other numbers for your specific agency. And make sure not to put any other text in this field or it won't work properly. This is an example of a test case. As you're going through case entry and OK, tell me exactly what happened, you hit that icon and you'll get a test case notification. You continue processing the protocol as usual. Here we're doing a test case for pregnancy. You're going through key questions. And remember, if it's before a determinant point, you can abort a case. And there is a test case option for the reason. Let's talk about malicious code versus abort the call. So final code standard 2 states that the caller will select the correct final determinant code based on all of the caller's answers to key questions. Now there are certain situations where you might start processing the call and you won't get any answers to the key questions for whatever reason. As it states at the last part, this is true for the EDQ in that there is no objective information to support this code within the protocol, which is a complete violation of the objective and function of the protocol design. It is evaluated as a malicious final code. This performance could place the caller, patient, or victim and responders at risk due to the lack of appropriate information. So to sum it up, if you don't abort the call when asking no key questions and you continue to self-answer as unknown for them, this is considered the malicious final coding. I hope this CDE was helpful, and please, if you have any questions, email us at 911training@elpasoteller911.org. Please have a great day.